You be going all alone, ma'am. I have taught you morals. I have taught you God. You're gonna meet different people there. I don't even know who you're gonna meet. Maybe you're going to meet the Prince of Switzerland. Somebody's smiling.
It's because you know how dumb you look right now. It's trying to make me laugh, and I'm like so uninterested in that. What I'm interested to is to shop.
Shop for?
Shopping clothes, shopping what?
What are you gonna shop with? Ask me questions that you think they can challenge you on the way so that I can help you.
Now, how will I be paying for purchases? Like, I can't be calling you and say, oh, pay for me this. Every time I call you to pay for me something. I need to have, like, a source of, like, how I'm going to pay for stuff.
I'm going to give you a Visa card. That's global, that you can use it anywhere in the world. So, just swipe and it's done. But it's limited.
And I need to,
It's limited to me. You have to call me.
So every time I need to buy something, I call you?
No. If you want to buy something that is extremely, like a bit extreme, you call me so that I have to authorize the card because they can tell it's not me. Yeah.